Kids are very special, and so are these memories. But these memories will fade away. But this casting memory will stay with us forever. So I decided to cast the hands of my kid. The step 1 includes taking 700 ml of cold water and empty the molding powder. Add 700 ml of water to it, stir it well. Now put your baby's hand into it. Make sure it doesn't touch the bottom. Keep it for 35 to 40 seconds. Step 2 is putting the casting powder to it. Take 100 ml of water and mix the casting powder to it and add into it. Keep it aside for 3 to 4 hours. Let it dry and peel off the molding. Your cast is ready. How beautiful it came out. Now engage your child in painting it.